Our planet, a seemingly solid and unyielding sphere, holds within its depths a secret. It is alive with motion. This motion, often imperceptible, manifests itself in the awe-inspiring and terrifying phenomenon we know as earthquakes. These tremors, ranging from barely noticeable shivers to catastrophic upheavals, are a stark reminder of the immense power that resides beneath our feet. Earthquakes, in their raw and untamed fury, have shaped landscapes and altered the course of human history. From the legendary city of Atlantis, swallowed by the sea, to the more recent tragedies of Haiti and Japan, earthquakes have left an indelible mark on our collective memory. Understanding these seismic events, their causes, and their far-reaching effects is crucial for our survival and progress on this dynamic planet. The study of earthquakes is not merely an academic pursuit, it is a matter of life and death for millions living in earthquake-prone regions. By unraveling the mysteries of these tremors, we can develop effective mitigation strategies, prepare for future events, and ultimately learn to live in harmony with the powerful forces that shape our world. Deep beneath the Earth's surface, tectonic plates, massive slabs of rock that make up the planet's outer layer, are in constant, albeit slow, motion. These plates collide, pull apart, or grind against each other, accumulating immense pressure along their boundaries. When this pressure exceeds the strength of the rocks, it is released with a sudden, violent jolt, sending shockwaves through the Earth. An earthquake. While the majority of earthquakes occur along these tectonic plate boundaries, known as fault lines, they can also be triggered by human activities. Activities like mining, oil and gas extraction, and even the filling of large reservoirs can alter the stress distribution within the Earth's crust, inducing seismic activity. These human-induced earthquakes, though typically smaller in magnitude, highlight our interconnectedness with the planet's delicate balance. Volcanic eruptions, those fiery displays of the Earth's internal heat, are another source of earthquakes. As magma rises within a volcano, it can fracture surrounding rocks, triggering tremors. These volcanic earthquakes, often less powerful than tectonic earthquakes, serve as ominous warnings of potential eruptions, offering valuable time for evacuation and preparedness. The immediate effects of a significant earthquake are often devastating. Buildings crumble, bridges collapse, and the ground beneath our feet seems to liquefy, swallowing structures and people alike. The ground shaking, a terrifying experience in itself, is only the beginning of the ordeal. Following the initial tremors, aftershocks, smaller earthquakes that can continue for days, weeks, or even years, pose additional threats. These aftershocks, while less powerful than the main earthquake, can topple already weakened structures, hampering rescue efforts and prolonging the recovery process. The impact of earthquakes extends far beyond the initial destruction. Tsunamis, giant waves triggered by underwater earthquakes, can travel thousands of miles across oceans, wreaking havoc on distant shores. Landslides triggered by ground shaking can bury entire villages, while widespread fires ignited by ruptured gas lines and downed power lines add to the devastation. The long-term effects of earthquakes, including economic hardship, displacement, and psychological trauma, can linger for generations. Living in earthquake-prone regions requires a constant awareness of the potential risks and a commitment to preparedness. Building codes designed to withstand seismic activity are crucial for minimizing damage and saving lives. Retrofitting older structures to meet these codes is an essential step in reducing vulnerability. Early warning systems utilizing a network of sensors to detect the first signs of an earthquake provide precious seconds for people to take cover, shut down critical infrastructure, and prepare for the impending tremors. Public education programs teaching citizens how to respond during and after an earthquake are equally vital in fostering a culture of preparedness. Individual preparedness is paramount. Having an emergency kit readily available, securing heavy objects that could topple, and establishing a family communication plan are simple yet effective steps that can make a significant difference when disaster strikes. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the face of earthquakes, it can be the key to survival. Understanding earthquakes is not just the domain of geologists and seismologists. It is a responsibility we all share. By educating ourselves about the science behind these tremors, we can dispel myths make informed decisions, and advocate for safer communities. Schools, community centers, and online platforms offer a wealth of resources, from interactive simulations to documentaries, that make learning about earthquakes engaging and accessible for all ages. Engaging in discussions, attending workshops, and staying informed about local hazards can empower individuals and communities to prepare for and mitigate the risks associated with earthquakes. The more we understand about earthquakes, the better equipped we are to respond effectively when they occur. By promoting a culture of earthquake awareness, we can foster a sense of collective responsibility, ensuring that future generations are better prepared to face the inevitable tremors of our dynamic planet. Earthquakes, a testament to the immense power that resides within our planet, are a stark reminder of our vulnerability in the face of nature's forces. Yet they are also a testament to our resilience, our ability to adapt, learn, and rebuild. While we cannot prevent earthquakes, we can significantly reduce their impact through a combination of scientific understanding, technological advancements, and collective action. By embracing preparedness, investing in resilient infrastructure, and fostering a culture of earthquake awareness, we can create safer communities and mitigate the risks associated with these seismic events. Living with the Earth's rhythms requires a delicate balance between respecting the power of nature and harnessing our ingenuity to coexist with it. By embracing knowledge as our shield and preparedness as our armor, we can face the tremors of the future with resilience and hope, building a safer and more sustainable world for generations to come.